सो हेलो क्यूरियस कैट्स, वेलकम टू क्यूरियोसिटी किल्स एपिसोड 4। एंड आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट द फादर फिगर ऑफ फेमस hero Spider-Man. Yes, we are gonna talk about his uncle and father figure, Uncle Ben. Uncle Ben Parker was a very underrated character according to me, because I think the way he valued his values, everything was transferred to Peter Parker, and he's the reason why Peter Parker, having powers, chose to be a hero rather than being a villain. And he was the originator of the verse, greater power brings greater responsibilities. So let's know why Uncle Ben had that understanding, and is his understanding really right, and why do we have to be responsible if we have powers? So let's understand this concept. तो शुरू करते हैं. So first of all, अंकल बेन ने जो वर्ड्स बोले हैं उनकी पर्सनालिटी बहुत ही अच्छे से उसी तरह से डिपिक्ट की गई है. ही वॉज अ वेरी लॉयल एम्प्लॉय, वेरी लॉयल इलेक्ट्रिशियन वर्किंग फॉर 35 ईयर्स. उन्होंने एक ही कंपनी को 35 ईयर्स दिए थे, एंड ही वॉज अ वेरी लॉयल वर्कर. ही वॉज अ वेरी ग्रेट हस्बैंड, and he took responsibility of Peter Parker very amazingly. He treated him like his own son, and even though he was not his own son. तो ये सारे कैरेक्टर्स बहुत ही अच्छे से डिपिक्ट करते हैं दैट हाउ मच रिस्पॉन्सिबल ह्यूमन बीइंग मिस्टर बेन पार्कर वॉज. एंड बेन पार्कर वॉज द वन हु शेप्ड पीटर पार्कर्स थिंकिंग and it made him a great hero rather than a villain. Now let's come to his words. Great power brings great responsibilities. Why? Why does power, with power we have to be responsible? Is responsibility actually really important? Like, क्या ज़रूरत है responsibilities लेने की? We have power, right? So let's decode why he said this. Why does great powers bring great responsibilities? And you can't run away from responsibilities if you have power. So first of all, we will try to decode it with even the situation of Peter Parker. Peter Parker was at start he was a normal boy. वो bully होता था. He was पढ़ाकू लड़का, and he didn't had much power at that time. After the bite of spider, जब उसे spider काटा, and उसके बाद he gained powers. He was enough powerful to fight with people, to उसके पास फिर पावर्स आ गई. बट एट स्टार्ट ही वॉज नॉट अकाउंटेबल फॉर इट. वो उन पावर्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज नहीं समझ पाया था. एंड देन अंकल बेन टोल्ड हिम अबाउट ग्रेटर पावर ब्रिंग्स ग्रेटर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. स्टार्टिंग में दिखाया जाता है दैट हाउ उसने एक चोर को जाने दिया, एंड he could have catched him but he didn't. And उसके बाद he found out that his uncle was dead shot by the same thief. And this situation gave him a big alarm that how much important responsibility is with power. Let's decode the situation. Peter Parker had enough power to save people, to go against crime and thieves, right? But उसने उन powers का इतना importance नहीं समझा, and he could have saved Uncle Ben, because जब Uncle Ben मारे गए तब he realized that how much unsafe country he was living in, or how much important for him it was to save people, because he couldn't blame anybody. कोई वहाँ पे accountable नहीं था for saving Uncle Ben, but he also was not accountable जब वो same चोर वहाँ से भाग के निकल गया था. And that's when he realizes that when you have power, enough power to make a change, you should be responsible for it too. And if you are not enough responsible, then what is use of that power? So like, let's imagine if Uncle Ben वहाँ डेड शॉट नहीं हुए होते, वो अपनी पावर्स का इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं समझा होता, then he with his power would be living in a unsafe New York, जहाँ पे कोई भी कभी भी तुम्हें मार सकता है. एंड that was a totally unsafe country he was living in. Though he had enough powers to make a change. And आज नहीं तो कल it would have affected his family members. See, power brings freedom. Power तुम्हें enough freedom दे, freedom to do anything you want with the thing you have power on. अब उस चीज़ को तुम्हें किस तरह से यूज़ करना है, it depends totally on you. If you add value to that thing will add value back to you. And that's why responsibility becomes very important. Okay, let's imagine कि आप कंट्री के नेता हो, you are the सबसे powerful person in the country, and all you are doing is sucking out money from people. आप अपनी पावर आपके पास पावर तो है, बट यू आर नॉट टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ दैट पावर एंड यू आर मेसिंग अप विथ योर ओन कंट्री, द कंट्री दैट यू हैव पावर ऑन एंड फ्रीडम इनफ टू डू एनीथिंग विद दैट कंट्री, राइट? एंड ऑल यू आर डूइंग इज सकिंग आउट मनी फ्रॉम दैट कंट्री एंड आप अपना ही फ़ायदा कर रहे हो। देन इमेजिन द सिचुएशन, you are still having a lavish life, okay, but the food that you are having is coming from some farmer out there in your country. Any facility that you are having is part of potential making of that country. Your surrounding is worst, and yes, that country is messed up. You have messed up that country. Now would that country have enough value? Like तुम जिस चीज पे you had power, you messed that thing up. Now that thing don't have enough value. अब तुम उस power का क्या करोगे? Because that thing don't have any value, and because that thing don't have any value, the power holder of that thing also don't have any value. उसका मतलब योर पावर इज गॉन। या तो कंट्री वाले खुद तुम्हें उस प्लेस से निकाल देंगे, और एल्स एनी अदर कंट्री वुड टेक ओवर। इसका एक बेटर एग्जांपल हिटलर भी था। हिटलर had enough potential to rule, enough people was hearing him, and he had enough potential as a ruler, but all he did was to hold that grudge, और उसने लोगों को जो उसने उसके पर्सनल ग्रजेस के लिए उसकी पावर यूज़ की। ही किल्ड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ हिज ओन पीपल ऑफ हिज ओन कंट्री, एंड इस वजह से पीपल ही हैड अ पावर बट ही नेवर टुक अ गुड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी विद इट, जिससे जो द कंट्री विच his country which he was ruling had lost its value, and लोगों को other countries have to save Germany from Hitler, and at the end of the day Hitler lost his value of the power and वो ख़त्म कर दिया गया था, right? So that's what important is. सबसे basic if आप ले लो, then we have power to control our own body. We have freedom enough to control our own body, hands, leg, everything, every movement of our body. This body gives us value because we have power on it, and we have to be responsible enough to add good value, good changes in our own body. So that's why power becomes very important. Anything that you are having power on, anything that you have freedom to use enough, you have to be enough responsible to take a good care, make a good change, make it better, and give it a good value. Because if you don't give a good value to it, and once it loses its value, why will even there be value of you being powerful on that thing? And overall your power will have no value and no meaning at all. So that's the thing. There was a very beautiful verse in Dead Poets Society movie which was, powerful play goes on and you may contribute a verse. What would that verse be? This shows that life is a powerful play. It will go on, and you are gonna die one day, and this life you can add, all meaning that you can add in it is by contributing your best, by making life better, people around you better, and that will once again add value to you only. If you see, पीटर पार्कर ने अंकल बेन के जो वर्ड्स लेकर he added so much value to his life. He knew कि उसके पास पावर है to make New York a safe city. He worked hard for it. Responsibilities are hard to take, and that's why powerful people run away from it. But the actual tragedy is that power will always be directly proportional to responsibility, and responsibilities will directly be proportional to value. Because if you don't take responsibility with power, and the thing you are having power on will be messed up, and if that thing will be messed up, the thing won't have any value, and if that thing won't have any value, then you don't have any value. Imagine if you are the ruler of one country and it's totally messed up. You are living in a human society. People around you, the food you are eating is someone's potential work, the clothes you are wearing is someone's potential work. The reality is that humans can't live without each other. All of us need each other, and that's why we have built a society in which we can sustain and we can live better life, and all we can do is to give the best in our environment. Even we are the most powerful race on earth, and I'm not sure that what responsibility we are taking of this power first. I think this is a whole circle which takes a very slow time for us to realize it. we use this power unless and until the value of thing which we are having power on, it perishes away, messes up totally. But it takes time, and that's why very much of people do very much misuse of power. But if we see it through a longer run, if you take enough responsibility to be accountable, to make, to flourish your the thing you have power on, it will add value to that thing also, and to you also, and to your life indirectly. It will all come back to you if you give better. अगर आप एक messed up country में रह रहे हो, your life indirectly is gonna be messed up too. And once it's totally messed up, your power on it won't have any value, and one or another your place will be replaced for sure. And imagine कि आप being the ruler of the country, you are still having the lifestyle better than members of your country, but equal to the average household of a country जिसका ruler बहुत responsible है. Don't you think that that's what the lifestyle you want? And yes, powerful people who bring value to the system, to economy, to the environment, nature which we live in, to whole earth, it will indirectly be back to them. Even in Spider-Man, it was hard for him to take responsibilities, to manage his work, his college, his studies, and criticism of people, and to spend more time with his loved ones. All of this he was managing with his responsibility of protecting New York. At the end, when the girl he loved, Mary Jane, there were people who protected her from that villain. वहाँ पे लोग थे जो at the end of the day they were वो सीन दिखाया ही गया है to explain the whole verse that if you give something to society, it will come back to you. It will make a value. It will add value. When he was trying to protect Mary Jane and the situation was very, very, very dangerous and he was not able to hold on everything, there were people who helped him by throwing things from bridge on the villain. And that's how people help you out in some or the other way. So I think concept of heroes and villains have the same difference. Villains are the one who use power for their own benefits, and heroes are the one who use their powers as a responsibility for taking care of their surrounding, their environment and their society. And this side is hard one. Taking responsibilities is hard, but the actual fact is that when you have power, when you have freedom to do anything with that power, you should do something better with it, add value in it, instead of messing it up and removing all value in it from it. Because a thing that you have power on, if uska hi koi value nahi hoga, then how it's gonna be add any value to you also won't have any value. And if you won't have any value, then why are you even chasing power at first place? इसको हम business के example से भी देख सकते हैं. When you are an employee, तब आप you don't have enough freedom to work, you have some set rules in company जिसको आपको follow करके ही काम करना होता है. Someone else is responsible for your money, for the back of your work. अगर आपका खुद का business होता है, you have enough liberty to work whenever you want. But the fact is, the people जिनका खुद का business होता है works more than employees, because they have enough responsibility, not of their own, but also people working with them also too. And अगर आप अपनी company की accountability hold करते हो, if you are responsible for it, if you have enough freedom to do whatever you do with it, you should always try to make it better, to add value in that company. Enough value जिससे आपकी खुद की भी value बढ़े. Because when you give value to the thing you have power on, it gives back the value to you. And that's how the thing works. It takes time, but आप कहीं भी notice करना, whoever has power on something, अगर उन्होंने उसका अच्छे से use किया है, if he or she वो responsible रहे हैं of their powers, of their freedom, and they have flourished the thing they had power on, they have had value, उनकी एक value हुई है. And people जो responsible नहीं रहे हैं, owners of the things, they have collapsed, societies which are collapsed, it's because the powerful people never took responsibility of those things, and at the end of the day it lost its value. So that's why I think freedom is really something you should be careful when you are asking for, because it holds lot of its responsibility and value to it, and it's up to you कि आप उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ाओगे या आप उसकी वैल्यू कम कर दोगे. And if you are making its value low, then at the end of the day your value is becoming, your power, the value of your power is becoming low, and it's at the end of the day of no use. Even if you imagine this situation with God, imagine कि आप भगवान हो गए, you are the most powerful person in this whole universe. Your universe is what you have freedom to do whatever you want with universe and world. All you are doing is messing up things, scaring people, fighting with them, being a cruel being a cruel god. Then at the end of the day you are shitting on your own creation, and you are messing your own creation, the thing you could have made better, you could have add value, you are messing it up, and due to which the thing is losing its value, and due to that you are losing your value. There won't be any power at all. So when power and freedom comes to you, it always comes with a responsibility. If you don't take, you can't run away from that responsibility, because if you don't take that responsibility, your value of your power will go away gradually, or that thing will go away gradually. At the end of the day, power and responsibility can't be a different thing. If you are having power, if you are having freedom enough, you will have to be responsible. Your power will go away gradually. आपका power और freedom बना रहे, इसके लिए आपको responsible होना पड़ेगा. If you won't be responsible, your power and freedom will go away for sure. So what do you think about the verses of Uncle Ben? And what do you think? Do you think power and freedom is important? Do you think that when you ask for freedom or power, you should be really accountable for it? What do you think about power and freedom? Do you think that everyone should have it, or do you think that reasonable, responsible people should have it? What do you think about Uncle Ben and Spider-Man? And do you think that heroes of the stories were the actual responsible people of society? Do you think that adding value to society is important? What do you think about responsibility? And most important question, do you think value is important? आपको क्या लगता है? Questions for you curious cats. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Share your thoughts on comment section, like the video and subscribe the channel. I'll be meeting you back in the next video. Thank you for watching.